The purpose of this video is to show you how to log into Collaborate Ultra on Blackboard. You'll need to know how to do this on the days in which you'll be engaging in remote learning. This is going to be useful particularly for those students of mine who are either in critical thinking, PHL 104 Section 2, or in philosophy of science, PHL 320. In this particular example, we are logged into PHL 104 Section 2, or critical thinking. Now, when you log in to our course page, the first page that you'll come to is Welcome and Announcements, and it'll look something like this. Over in the left-hand navigation bar, under Course Tools, you'll see the link for Collaborate Ultra. Click on that, and it will take you to a page that looks like this. What you will see on this page are various sessions. Not all of the sessions are available. For example, the ones that are lighter in color are not available. This session right here will become available Monday morning at 11:15. Here we actually have folders in which there are various sessions. So when you open that folder up, then what becomes available are the various sessions down here, and they will become available on different dates as the semester progresses. For our purposes here, I have set up a test session, aptly named, I think, test. I'm just going to use it. So supposing that this is the session you needed to log into today, you would simply click on that session there. Go over to the right-hand side of the screen, and you can click Join the Session. Once you do that, you get another screen that opens up. And what you have here in front of you is quite literally where I will be standing during my Philosophy of Science course. Now, in order to ask questions, you come down here to the bottom right corner to this little purple tab. Okay? And here you can chat. So if you want to ask a question that anybody could answer, you would simply leave it on, click on everyone, come down here, and then write your question or type in your question. And you can see here that I have asked the question, what is the Jomquine thesis? Now, if I want to ask a particular individual a question, I click out of that, and what I can do is I can try to find the name. So if you want to ask just me a question, then what you can do is just start typing my name, and eventually it will come up here. Click on that, and then you can ask me a question, and I will see it in real time. Okay, and there it is. Let me say this: if the class is over or I don't see your question, by all means feel free to just email me the question and I will respond as quickly as possible. One final thing, let me point out over here on the top left-hand corner, you see this little hamburger menu up here. If you open that up, if I were recording this, you would see an indication that that this session is being recorded. And in nearly every case, I will be actually recording the session. In order to access the recording, once the session is over, you close out the page, and then you go into, up here to this little hamburger menu, okay? And then you go to recordings. As it turns out, it takes a little bit for the recording that I post to become available. So if you just give it a little bit, then it'll become available. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in class on Monday morning.